SIM card. Okay, when they work for you.
Is it?
I see they give you money and I make you.
Which kind of money when they give me? Money when they give me, I think they spoil so. When they drop me money, this other you see, this other they talk to. Now money when they give me, I think they suffer me as they work and now. Money was supposed to carry send my mother for village. Now yeah, they carry their work and now. You see, they give me money. This kind of
no be the phone where you use them not call, they will call you to come work. Not the phone now. You don't get the phone, I want to call you.
That's true, but the phone not there.
All those money where you go collect for work, and the phone they give you, no be salary.
need to change this one. Here your shop na stinking shop. At least we are customer one day here. When they just one now, this kind of season.
But that range still good for body now. We thought it's national. Yeah.
That one is not tango.
At 3%. No, right now, I tell you, I say whether you charge. You go pay charge. Pay charge.
You go pay charge.